Your charisma is what makes them so drawn to you. This individual wanted to close out a cycle with you. They tried to walk away. They tried to tell themselves that it wouldn't work out. And for some of you, you may have separated from this individual. And during that time of separation, they couldn't stop thinking about you. They couldn't stop thinking about the way that you made them feel. Hashtag Michael Jackson. But on the real, this individual feels as though you are one of a kind. They've never encountered a being like yourself before. They try to deny the fact that they were deeply infatuated with you. They try to deny the fact that they were in love with you. Love, that word scared this person. This person was in so much fear of the unknown. What would it entail if they were to get into a connection with you? You have made this person feel feelings that they've never experienced before. You know, you have that ability to make this individual feel as if they are being seen for the first time. For some of you, they are being heard. You have this warm, nurturing, comforting, safe energy that makes this person feel soothed. You heal their soul in a sense. Whenever this person is alone, they often think about your interactions with each other. They often think about the quality time that they should have spent with you, how they left you out in the cold due to their fear. They often think about whenever they are with you or when they were with you, how at peace they felt. And so this person yearns to reach out to you. For others of you, you are in contact with this individual. For some of you, you're not. But this person is eager to connect with you once again. Whenever you text this individual, whenever you call this individual, message this individual on social media, this person, they get very excited. They try to contain their excitement, but they smile from ear to ear because it's like, wow, you know, you give them that buzz, that thrill. Your energy is very electric. This person is coming out of being defensive. They feel like to miss out on an opportunity with you will be a big deal because you are, in fact, a big deal. And they left you out in the cold in the past because they didn't feel good enough for you. They felt, why would someone like you want to even talk to someone like me? And because this person was in that energy, they projected their insecurities out onto you, unfortunately. They know that in the past they were immature. And they know that to connect with someone like you, they have to be mature. They know that they have to walk away from how they used to be in the past. Because you have shown this person by action that in order to be with someone like you, they have to level up. And not just level up in regards to finances, level up internally, emotionally, and spiritually. This person was trying to feed you crumbs in the past and expected you to accept it. And this individual may have treated you as if you were just like any other person. To be honest with you, when they first met you, they did think that you were like any other person, and everyone's special in their own way, everyone's important, but this individual could be used to having a lot of admirers that they know will do anything for them. But with you, it's different. With you, you stand miles apart from all the other people that this individual has encountered or that they are encountering right now. You are powerful, you are strong, you are a force to be reckoned with. You challenge this person to grow. And through your own strength, you are inspiring this individual. They didn't think that they could ever meet anyone like you. They feel like you're their match. They have looked high and low to encounter a being like yourself. They feel that you are very confident, charismatic, funny, magnetic. They are in awe of you. They cannot believe that they have ever encountered someone like yourself. You may get this person staring at you sometimes, mid-conversation, because they cannot believe that someone like you exists. How can someone be funny? How can someone be confident? How can someone be outspoken? How can someone be independent? How can someone be colorful? How can someone be all about themselves and not all about me? That's a side note, guys. But yeah, because you have that way about you whereby your life doesn't revolve around this individual, they love it. You created distance with this individual. For some of you intentionally, for others of you because you literally got your own things that you need to do, and this draws this person in. They are now chasing for your energy. They are now chasing for your company. Or they yearn to hear from you. They yearn to connect with you. You have not made this person a priority. And this person is funny because this individual is this way inclined with other people. And this is what makes people chase this person. And I feel like this person thought that you'll be like the rest, you know, chasing them down, begging for their company, etc. But you are the embodiment of who this person is also. You're independent, you've got your own projects, your own goals, your own life. And this person loves it. And guess what? They want to be a part of your life. They want to be a part of your world. Hashtag Little Mermaid. This person is used to people trying to invest in them, even though they give people minimal attention. But with you, when you realize that this person wasn't giving you what you desired, what you deserved, you took your energy back and you started to invest in yourself. And this person was taken aback. This has now made this person want to invest in you, but they don't know where to start. You intimidate this individual. Just when they feel like they have worked you out, you flip the script on them. You make this person feel as if they need to boss up. Even if this is an established person within their working life. You have made this person feel as if you energetically overpower them. This person was in their ego in the past. They're very stern, very matter of fact when it came to you. But now they're lowering their guard. And they're trying to fight the clarity that they are feeling, that they're thinking, which is, I think I met my match. I literally think I met my match. But the thing is, with you, this person feels like they have to hold back. You know, they want to reach out to you. They want to contact you. Could be a sign because I don't know if you just heard my phone ring. But this person either wants you to reach out to them. That's the thing. I feel like the roles have reversed between you and this individual. Everything that you see within this person, right? They see within you. And I feel like some of you are realizing that. So if you feel like this person's charismatic, funny, magnetic, etc., all the reasons why you were drawn to this individual is the reasons why this person is drawn to you, because everything that you see within them, you possess also. And this is why this person is scared of you, because they feel like with the power that you possess, you could actually destroy them. But you're not that way inclined. And this person doesn't want to seem too eager. They want to reach out to you. They want to text you. They want to call you. But they won't do it because they feel like if they do it, you will have control over them. So they hold back. But they're coming out of their fear because they were deeply engulfed in fear in the past. Deeply engulfed in fear of what their family may think. You see, this person is slightly conditioned as well. They're willing to bend the rules, is what I'm hearing, to be with you. They could come from a very traditional family, but they're willing to sneak. Some of you may not want to hear that, to be with you. They don't care how far they have to travel or what they have to overcome to connect with you, because they are willing to invest. They see you as very abundant, and they don't just want to be with you for that reason, but they feel like you both can achieve so much together. You are their ideal. You are their match. and they want